In this video, we're going to set up MobaXterm so we can connect to the K2 Plus through SSH. SSH gives us access to the printer's command line. We'll use it to run the K2 Improvements installer and perform several setup and maintenance steps later in this series. Before continuing, make sure you have your printer's IP address, the account name, and the password from the previous video. If you haven't already downloaded MobaXterm, go ahead and download and install it now. Once you have it downloaded and installed, click on Session, click on SSH. The remote host is your IP address. The username is root, and then click OK. The first time it opens, it's going to ask you for the password, which was Creality _2024. And then it's going to ask you if you want to save it. I say yes, so I don't have to keep typing it in every time I enter MobaXterm. And now we're logged in. You see root at K2 Plus. That means you're on the printer command line. So once you've connected in, MobaXterm saves the session. So if we close this, right here, recent sessions, all I have to do is click on that and it opens back up and automatically logs me in because I've saved the password. MobaXterm is now installed and the printer session is saved. So in the next video, we'll use this connection to begin wiping the printer so we start with a clean slate.